Hello, and thanks for checking out my video. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. Today I want to talk about how to become rich, the 7 best ways to make money online. So for now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Based on what you require money for, you can even allow it to be profound and touching. There are easy and totally free ways to earn cash. With Google AdSense. There isn't any reason to pay anyone any money to receive your child started in modeling. Although you will need money before purchasing stocks, stock trading is a fantastic method to boost one's wealth. Bear in mind you will eliminate money sometimes and you won't have the ability to sell every product. The people who do make money are serious, and the people who don't make money are people who try to don't look at what they're doing and repair it. Tutoring may be a wonderful way to earn additional money and help someone better themselves at precisely the same time. Always do some accounting in advance to be certain you are earning a profit. There are many ways to earn additional income as a freelance writer. The excess income you make all is dependent upon how much you're ready to do. Now all you need to do is collect the cash, deliver the item, and repeat. As a consequence, people have gotten overly familiar with big brands like McDonald's because they've bought up a disproportionate sum of publicity. The organization will earn a living from your work. Many businesses will be pleased to take your money and help you receive a patent. It might be necessary to check that with your boat insurance policy company should you want to take paying passengers. Rather than using your first profits to purchase what you want, reinvest it back into your new company. The very good news is, it forces you to be creative and figure out ways to find totally free publicity. Articles are among the latest things in the marketplace at the moment, and a lot of people are prepared to cover articles. They are one of the best ways to add content to your website and then submit it to article directories for free advertising. You ideally would like to go for a topic where there's a chance to display an item or list of goods associated with your topic through the Amazon or eBay affiliates programs. One of the most popular subjects on the web is the way to generate income. There are lots of things you can do daily, using your car to make extra money. You've been working on cars and trucks for a couple of years and you simply don't appear to be making any more money than last the calendar year. Everybody knows that the best method to bring in traffic to your site is by adding fresh content and advertising. You must work at getting more visitors to your blogs and your sites. The program is straightforward, and it is a very simple means to create a few more dollars. Affiliate programs are connected with SEO and the quantity of traffic you attract to your website. Of course, your plan could bomb and you might end up with just a pile of bills, or worse, fail because you were too early and must endure the pain of seeing someone else earn a fortune with the very same ideas a couple of years later whenever the sector is ideal. A firm financial plan will allow you to learn to use compound interest, savings, and earnings power to make more cash. You always require a blueprint that details the necessary materials for a single manufacturing cycle, and you will need a manufacturing slot. If you choose to summon, you are going to have to summon him each time you will need to attain something to create your rich. You won't waste time and money going to a number of unique stores for the lowest prices. You may spend your time writing as many hubs or internet articles as feasible. Hope you obtain enough people, traffic, coming to your hubs, and that is going to earn money. You spend a great deal of time writing, and your writing will be understood by many on the web. So, the time spent developing a detailed financial plan is well worth it. Some of the above mentioned ideas will make you more money than others, but there's nothing stopping you from trying out a couple unique procedures to help you earn money on the web. One of the greatest methods to earn money on the internet is to go for a niche topic. Typically, it's monetarily. It's simple to learn and free to do. In truth, it's only the opposite. Thanks for watching my video. If you got value from the video, please feel free to share, like, subscribe to be the first to watch my next video. So, for now, this is Richard Murphy signing off from New Zealand.